Hey guys, welcome to MS Online Academy. My name is Murgesh. In this video, we are going to study about the market structure. Top-down approach we are going to study, and we are reviewing world market first, after that Indian market, after that sector and sectorial stocks also. And along with that, we have a momentum stocks in basket, which are giving a lot of very good result, just like a solar, DLF, and MCX and BSC. There are a lot of stocks actually. Let me share my screen and we can go one by one. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's see that what is there in our content exactly. And if you are new people and these are the our course content or programs which we have been running currently, the Ultimate Trader is the 6-month coaching program. Okay, if you are new, then you can connect with me or else just message. You can just check the description and you can get the contact details and you can connect with me. So a top-down approach is nothing but first we are studying about the world market, later Indian market, sectors and sectoral stocks. The If the market is bullish, then we are finding a best stock for the from the best sector. Okay. In that way, if it is a negative market or a bearish market, then we are finding bearish stocks also to short that one. Okay. This is the statistics which we are using in the top-down approach to validate global market and Indian market. You can view here. German DAX index is very bullish, super bullish actually, and US market is now it is getting better. Okay, in the same way, Korea market also best. Overall, what we can take the conclusion: global market is getting better towards the bullish sense. At the same time, Indian market also doing the great things. It is getting bullish, in terms of uh, market structure. So we can expect a best trending upward momentum of market in coming days. Okay, US market, it is a Dow Jones at resistance in a daily, but in a weekly it has to be crossed the 60, then only we can decide. But monthly also it is at 60, so we have to wait and watch how it can be behave. Nasdaq, same thing, it has to be cross weekly. Monthly it is above, but weekly it has to be cross this one. If it is crossed and there are some certain resistances, if those closed, then those are the Nasdaq can be do very well. S&P 500, it is at resistance in weekly, similar to the Nasdaq. DAX, as we said that it is doing great, all RSI above 60. Look at this. When it is above 60, know how the momentum has been increased. Okay, that's why the range shift or why we are reading the RSI range shift or ranges 60-40 levels. That is very important. Okay, and Nikki, German market is very good, like it is a sideways, sorry. Okay, in all the RSI are sideways, and we can ignore this one for the upward movement kind of things. And here in Kospi, look at this Japan market, it has to be cross 16 monthly, then only we can see the it could be in a momentum format. Okay, and yeah, Nifty Singapore market. And as you know that Singapore and Indian Nifty market are moving in the same way. Last Friday, our Indian Nifty has has moved like a crazy, and even Gift Nifty also, Singapore market also. So that means once it crossed this particular resistance, okay, it closed very well currently above 60 range shift everything. So now if it is crossed everything, then we can accept expect very good momentum upcoming days. Okay, the high is 27,000 plus. Okay, there is no resistance here up to 27,000. So we can looking for a very good market, upward market in coming days. That is what the overall structure of a global market. We can study about the Nifty also. One. Okay. So now commodity can review. Crude is doing good, but still it is taking a support at 40. we know that it is a value buying area. Okay, natural gas. Okay, it's you can see here it is a range bound kind of a structure. It might be reject from the middle band, so apply DTS2 strategy here. Okay, and for gold it is rejected from the resistance, but in the same time the best part of silver is it's crossed the resistance, all the resistance currently is all time high, sorry. Okay, so anytime, see, gold also can be breakout from this particular 1 lakh round number, so we have to wait and watch that one. But silver movement is a great moment for the last week. Okay, and now it's a sector, it's a Indian market reading 60, 60, 65, nifty above 60 in all the time frame. Okay, I hope this is the one which is giving a insight, like there is a there is a very bullish market currently it is going on. And for bank nifty there is no word, 67, 67 and 69. In the same time, fin nifty or finance sectors are doing great. So from few weeks I have regularly I am telling you that financial sectors and financial stocks are the great performing sectors currently. Okay, PSU banks, and private banks, and other banking or banking sector related stocks are doing great actually. Okay, and nifty, you can see here it is a resistance, but it moved very well last week, last Friday specifically. If it is crossed, it is at 60. We have to be very careful at this particular point of time. If it is reject, then we can see another sideway market. But as per the volume and other pattern, we can see a clear breakout in coming days. Okay, Nifty Bank, it's performing very well. It crossed all the resistances. Sensex, just like similar to the Nifty. Nifty Finance, similar to the Fin Nifty, sorry, Nifty Bank actually. Okay, so here is the sectorial performance chart. Okay, so here we have to be very careful which sector we are going to choose for upcoming week. As we discussed already, financial sector is at the top. Okay, and second and third position, which sector we are choosing. Okay, so for as per the reading, as per the statistics, PSU banks are doing great, all 60 above. Third one, infra, 61, 60, 65 or 60 above. Reality, 71, 61 and 63. I hope you understand. So the sectors which are above 60 in all the time frame, I am taking those as a very bullish sectors. Market bullish, global market also okay, performing well. Our Indian market doing good. So now the sectors which we are choosing, that makes sense. First is finance, second is PSU bank, third and fourth is reality and info. These are the stocks which we are tracking currently for the up bullish sense. For the bearish sense, IT is the one stock which IT is the one sector which we are tracking. And apart from that, we can track the FMCG also. I'll show you that. Okay. Nifty Finance, as we discussed, it is all-time high. Okay. These are the stocks from the finance sectors. Nifty Energy sideways, we are not touching that one. Nifty Infra, as we said that infra and reality, these are the two sectors which we are tracking aggressively for coming days. There might be a sectorial rotation, and DLF is the example which is traveled from 682, now it is 880, 200 points within after it came to our radar. Okay, these are the great stocks from the infrastructure sector. PSC sector, it is in a sideway. Auto sector, it's in a sideway. we have to wait for breakout at the 60. Okay, don't hurry in this particular sector. Pharma sideway, PSU bank. Look at this. Last week itself it is breakout, and after that it moved very well. Okay, so we have to track all the PSU bank stocks. Reality, it moved like a crazy last week. Okay, Friday candle you can see all reality stocks moved like a crazy. Only problem here, it is at a resistance with respect to all-time high. Okay, these are the great stocks like DLF, as I said, Loda. These are the breakout stocks. Actually, you have to be tracked very carefully. Okay, Nifty metal sideway, Nifty IT. It's DTS2 structure at this point of time. If it is rejecting from this and market is rejecting from the resistance, then try to encash this particular opportunity. Nifty FMCG sideway, media, we are not touching for the bullish point of view. Okay, if you get any opportunity to be sell here, then definitely. Consumer durable sideway. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the best stocks which we are tracking actually, which are giving a lot of good momentum, like solar, MCX, BSC, DLF, and other stocks like Airtel and other stocks actually. So I mean to say that the picking the stocks is a very good. It should be very good. Okay, we selected solar at 13,000 range. Now it is at 17,000. You understand, right? The lot size for the future traders, it's a 75, 4,000 points, 75 into 4,000. You imagine within 15-20 days. So that's a power of picking a strong stock. Okay, so this is what the thing. Last week we choose we suggested to be tracked this at 16,000. It is at 17,000 this week. Last Friday it gave a a heads up and it came down, but it's okay. But still it is giving us opportunity. Okay, I'll show you that in upcoming videos why still we have to be tracked for the bullish kind of things only. BSC, it's a last week 2,674. Now it is at 2,984. 3,000 is a round number and it is rejected last Friday. That's fine, but it gives us a lot of opportunity to make money. Okay, 300 points. 375 is the lot size. You can imagine. In BCC we are tracking from last week. It was a 123. And now it is went to 130, around 30 above. Okay, so that means 7 points, 6,000 lot size, 6,000 plus, I think so. Okay, Divis Lab, it's at advanced DWM. We have to be, if it made any green candle here just like earlier, then we have to be track and trade this one. Bharat Dynamics, okay, we have to, as advanced DWM, we have to wait for the green candle here. SRF, it's a great stock which give a best opportunity for us actually. Okay, currently it is at a breakout stage, but the the pattern is like a hanging man. You can see here it made a very good candlestick pattern, looking like a there could be a possibility of a breakout, but there are chances to be come back also. Okay, same thing here in a SRF also. Even though we are holding our positions in this particular stock, but my point is that ready for a booking loss also. Okay, if you are holding any SRF, let's see how it is going to open. If it proved that hanging man pattern is failed with respect to low of this particular candle, for example here this candle low, we are going to close our long position and wait for the opportunity in the downside. Okay. So Manappuram, it's a great stock, was a great pick actually. 238 to 347. Okay. Huh. Even though if you are tracking this particular stock and you don't get an opportunity in terms of a daily time frame, go for the hourly time frame and wait for this particular bullish candle and buy above this one around 240 hourly chart. We are already, we know, we studied in weekly and monthly time frame, and we are tracking this one. So go one time frame low and buy that one. Okay. In tomorrow's meeting we can discuss again. MCX, it's a great opportunity for us, from to 6,600 to last week it was 6,600. The current chart is missing, that's fine. HTM AMC last week 4,700 and this week it's a blast actually 5,200. Okay. And MCX, it's a great stock which we have been tracked and trading. HDFC, it's at a breakout, track this one carefully. Okay. Wait HDFC Life. Okay. Advanced DWM or DWM, you can wait for this. BEL, divergences are there, wait for the advanced DWM. SBI Life, wait for the opportunity. Currently we have the divergences. There are a few stocks which I am tracking. ICICI GI, okay, breakout, at the breakout from a major resistance. Muthoot Finance, all time high. SBI Cards, all time high. Okay, these are the stock picks which are for the long trading perspective. And these are the even though market went wrong and it is coming down, in that time we have to use our knowledge in terms of DTS, downtrend secret strategies also. IRCTC is one of the stocks which I am tracking for the sell purpose. Inox, second one. Tata Steel, third one. These are the 3-4 stocks which are there in our list for the applying DTS strategies. Okay, let's make sure watch this video and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can connect with us, with me or my team, and we can discuss more about the training and everything. But don't forget to subscribe, subscribe for the channel. Thank you guys.